I've seen this program evolve and I've witnessed firsthand how a single training program done right can shape careers, institutions, and sometimes innovation landscapes. Now, let's begin. On behalf of the World Intellectual Property Organization, it is an honor to welcome you all, both those here in Durban and those joining us online, to a program I deeply believe in. It is only fitting that we begin by extending our sincere appreciation to our distinguished hosts and partners whose leadership and partnership make this program not only possible but truly impactful. Allow me to thank Ms. Nutula Sibiya, Vice Chancellor and Principal of Mangosuthu University of Technology, Mr. Tani Chasley, Head of WIPO at the Department of Science and Innovation, Mr. Rory Bola, Commissioner of the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, and Mr. Minoru Nita, Director, International Cooperation Division, Japan Patent Office. Thank you for standing with WIPO year after year and for investing in Africa's innovation talent pipeline. Your continued commitment is the backbone of this summer school. WIPO extends its heartfelt gratitude to the JPO for their unwavering financial support. At WIPO, we take pride in our long-standing cooperation with WIPO, CIPC, and the JPO. This partnership represents a shared belief that developing countries, and particularly the African region, must have access to world-class IP and technology transfer education. And that belief is not just aspirational, it is strategic. You, the participants in this room and online, have already demonstrated your readiness by completing the WIPO Academy's DL450 course, which is our core course on IP management. That is no small feat. DL450 is rigorous by design because technology transfer is not a side activity in the innovation ecosystem. It is the engine that carries ideas from the laboratory to the marketplace. Today's program builds on that foundation and challenges you to think at a higher level. This is an advanced summer school, and Durban provides the perfect environment for that kind of hybrid, panoramic, cross-sector thinking Africa needs right now. Technology transfer is no longer optional. It is the currency of modern development. It is the bridge between scientific discovery and societal impact. It is how homegrown African solutions become competitive global products. Around the world, IP activity is booming. Global patent applications reached 3.7 million in 2024, growing by nearly 5%. Patents in force now total approximately 19.7 million, with China alone holding 5.7 million. In Africa, innovation is also growing, albeit in a small base. In 2023, the continent accounted for only 0.6% of the global patent applications. As of 2025, around 89% of African countries had joined the Patent Cooperation (PCT) system. These numbers show both the challenge and the opportunity. Africa's innovators are increasingly active, but the potential for technology transfer and IP-based value creation is still huge. Yet, Africa, to turn this momentum into sustained growth, we need stronger technology transfer systems, more effective IP management, and more professionals like you who understand how to transform research output into real-world solutions. Now, let's be honest. Africa does not lack talent. Africa lacks the mechanism to fully leverage that talent. That is exactly why this program matters. Under WIPO's medium-term strategic plan, one of our core priorities is supporting knowledge transfer and technology adaptation, particularly in developed and least developed countries. Through the WIPO Academy, we run a global suite of programs designed to turn IP literacy into IP excellence. And the WIPO South Africa Summer School is one of our flagship initiatives. This summer school is not a lecture series. It is a platform. It is a launch pad, an investment in your potential as the next generation of innovators, technology managers, policymakers, academics, and entrepreneurs. Over the next few days, you will unpack IP systems, and you will not do it alone. One of the greatest assets of this summer school is the network you will build. So please, don't just listen, engage. Don't just absorb, apply. Don't just meet people, create connections that last. Don't just learn the language of innovation, use it. Engage deeply, exchange insights, and ask bold questions. Learn from your peers as much as from the experts. Networking is not extracurricular. It is a strategic resource. The relationships formed here often endure long after the summer school ends. As we look ahead, the message is simple. Africa's innovation future is bright, but only if we equip ourselves with the tools to shape it. Technology transfer is one of those tools. IP education is another. And you sitting here today are the third and most important element. You are the implementation layer, the change makers. It is an honor for WIPO to accompany you on this journey. We believe in your ability to turn knowledge into action and ideas into impact. May these 2 weeks be a journey of discovery, a platform, connection, and a launch pad for your next chapter. Welcome to the WIPO South Africa Summer School on IP and Transfer of Technology. Welcome to a program that invests in you because your ideas will shape Africa's future. Thank you all for your attention. And now, let's have fun, enjoyable, and productive 2 weeks. Welcome.